Hi views. Today we getting to explain you HP Pavilion Gaming 32 HDR display. The HP Pavilion Gaming 32 HDR display delivers incredibly smooth, lifelike visuals, whether you're gaming, watching videos, or editing photos. Experience true-to-life picture on a 81.28 cm, 32 inches, diagonal QHD display with Display HDR 600. With deeper contrast and greater color accuracy, your content, from games to videos, has never been this immersive. Put an end to choppy gameplay and broken frames. AMD registered FreeSync technology helps eliminate image tears and choppiness for an effortlessly smooth gaming experience. AMD registered FreeSync technology. See and feel the difference of fluid, responsive gameplay. By synchronizing the refresh rate with your GPU, AMD registered FreeSync makes display stutter, input lag, and screen tears ancient history. Indulge in high contrast colors and captivating definition with advanced display HDR 600. While AMD registered FreeSync technology makes stutter and input lag ancient history. .75 Hz refresh rate. Uncap your in-game frame rate, because with a 75 Hz refresh rate this display is capable of clearer, high-resolution details smoothly moving from frame to frame, allowing for faster split-second reaction time. QHD display. Get lost in the captivating definition and ultra-sharp details of 3.7 million pixels. The 2560 by 1440 resolution transforms all your content for an remarkable entertainment experience. HP Enhanced Plus resolution improves image quality with advanced noise reduction for crisper, cleaner images. By reducing overexposure, this advanced noise filter amplifies your images for crisper photos, videos and games.